Bird dog pose. Strength for core, hips, and back. Do you take good care of your hips? The hips are the largest weight-bearing joints in the human body and are vital to your overall mobility. Long hours of sitting or standing place more pressure on the hip joints, and as you grow older, it becomes even more important to keep your hips strong and flexible. Try this bird dog pose challenge to help improve core, back, and hip strength. It will make a good addition to your lower body strength routine.